churros. Doing our morning checks.
In the corners, they've got to come out, because otherwise if you're over there you can't see a thing.
We're sussing our position for this evening for when we do the show.
You're right? Yes, thank you.
So we're table 14 and we think we're going to sit all the way over there and the stage is here. This would be the perfect table, wouldn't it?
Thank you.
This is table number, oh, just took that away.
This was 30 something.
40? What number's that one? Oh.
24.
Well, that table's 39 and 14's all the way over here where this column is. And then that, but we're seated, we should be able to see. They would cater for everybody.
They won't just stand there, they'll come up.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
And our PR
What's it called? Melon ball.
Captain Jack's man.
Captain Jack's melon boat. Captain Jack's melon boat. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Peanut butter and jam pancake. We've got the
Very French toast.
French toast, which is delicious.
And the southern fried hash. Which looks lovely.
Do you like our breakfast?
Not when we're at home. When
No.
we're at home, we don't eat breakfast.
No, exactly. But you're on holiday, aren't you?
3 calories. There's nothing written on the side of a packet because there's no packets. So it doesn't count. More cinnamon sugar.
So, we're doing really well. JP ate all of his lovely breakfast. I had a little bit. And he's now devouring the rest of it. The restaurant's getting a little bit busier now. We got in here at 8:30 this morning. And it's now 9:04. So it's getting a little bit busier in here. It's such a lovely place to come and have breakfast though. Highly recommend it. We are walking around the deck. Deck 4. Deck 4 is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, I was just slowing you down because otherwise I'd be like you're on a
Speedboat.
yeah.
Deck 4 is really cool to just walk around, and it's really cool because you get one side you get boiling sunshine, stunning, and the other side's freezing cold. Or in JP's words, it's not cold.
One side's unbearable, one side's okay.
Perfect. For me it's cold. Yeah, it's really lovely. So we're going to do our 5 laps,
Yeah.
1 mile.
No, 3 laps is a mile down.
3 laps, 1 mile. Work off breakfast.
It's going to take a little bit longer than that.
And watch for dolphins.
Both there in the Walt Disney Theatre and D-Lounge for fantastic selfies at sea. Not only that, they can promenade lounge, get together as a family and join today for some amazing events such as origami and trivias, including some fun musical trivias as well. Not forgetting for our adults, at deck 94, we have our amazing slides. Let's see where we're going to do a vacation.
Pool today, someone was sick, so it's going to take 3 hours to get it ready for it to happen. So this queue here is for the hot tub, so they can only do 15 minutes in each hot tub and then they're being asked to get out. Oh, it feels so regimented, doesn't it?
It does.
But I suppose things got to be like this for the time being. Beautiful sunny day though. Lovely little magic picture taken. Beautiful. When it's a day like today, so worth doing.
On the end of the stride.
undrained pool. That's going to be freezing cold when they fill that back up. It's a Small World Nurseries temporarily closed.
Wow, it's like a fairground mirror. What princess do you reckon? Anyone?
Chocolate and vanilla, strawberry and banana. Enjoy!
Lion King, Disney, Donald. So we just come back to our room and we have got our disembarkation, made that up, disembarkation details. So we've got 2 luggage labels, which are really so cute. We have got our gratuities that you can give to your server, assistant server, head server and stateroom host, and you put those in these little envelopes. I actually, don't you JP, I love the way that Disney does this.
It's such a unique way.
I think it's so good. I don't know how you guys feel about this, but it's so better to have it already done, and then if you wanted to put extra in the envelope, obviously you can do that. But I just think it's so nice. So then when we're out tonight, we will just give those out to the servers, head server, etc. And then we just leave the one in here for our lovely stateroom host. I love it. I just think all cruise ships should do it this way. Let me know down below if you agree or don't agree. So, observations on the cruise. Day 3. No children shops. So no shops. The two shops don't have any children toys or plushes and nothing.
Real missed opportunity.
Yeah, they don't have. JP, as usual, in the background, bless him. You alright, darling?
I'm just getting some chocolate.
Just getting some chocolate. I've not put you in it, it's fine. So yes, so there's no toys. I think Disney's missing out here for some reason, because when we were in one of the shops, the little ones were going, why is there no toys? I want to buy toys as a souvenir. They all have money to come on the cruise ship with. But some of the little ones brought lanyards, didn't they?
Yeah, that's not a cute gift.
It's not cute. It's not cute, Disney. I don't know why you do that, but it's just not right. And then the other thing, so on the very first day when you boarded, the shop queue line was immense. So people were coming on and buying all the souvenirs. So we got to today, they've replenished a little bit, but there's hardly anything on here now that you probably would want to buy. So again, why don't they phase that through so that you can have options throughout the whole of the cruise potentially, or have more of it? You know, people haven't cruised for 16 months or done Disney because of the park, so why would you not have more inventory? Don't know. And then the other thing, this is minor, so when you go to the refreshment areas, you can get your coffee, your Coca-Cola, Sprite, those drinks. One of my favourite drinks is the vitamin, so it's the loganberry or raspberry, whatever it is, vitamin drink. Totally run out. So it's like, okay, so hopefully the cruise orderers will go, well, we use this 100,000 gallons, we'll use this amount, so therefore on the next cruise we won't. So question, if you were on a previous Disney cruise, did anything run out? Comment below, because I'd love to know. It's very interesting. But great observations. It's been a great cruise. It's beautiful out there today. Dolphins and just magical, and all the Disney characters are out. So it's lunchtime now, so we'll come back to room to get a hat, because because it is so sunny out there. I need some protection. Who would know? Who would have thought that in the British Isles? So I'm gonna get a hat. Oh, and another good thing, which I think I've said before, HGTV. All the American channels on the telly. It makes you feel like you've got a little bit of Disney, Florida, with the American TVs and everything. It does. Right, so exciting stuff. So last day is today, off the ship first thing in the morning. We'll probably go up and get breakfast. We had breakfast this morning, which was just amazing. Tonight, it's going to be magical. We have a show in the restaurant. Yeah, the room is fantastic. We were a little bit hesitant about having an inside room with no windows, but we haven't missed it really. And then you just put the telly on and you get to see the front of the ship anyway. So if you want to know if it's bright, sunny, rain, that's all we do. So it's fun. Loving it. So less talking, get back upstairs, pizza time. Let's do this. Is curry station. Are you getting curry?
This is corner.
Yeah. Lamb curry, shrimp curry, ratia, biryani, spinach. We've only got churros. Amazing. Churros? Well, you have Yeah. Thank you very much.
Some bread? Spring roll?
Can I get a crab cake, please?
Of course. Would you like any mayo, tartar sauce or ketchup?
A little bit of tartar, please.
Of course. I'm gonna do a tartar Mickey. We can try.
Can I get some prawns as well, please?
Of course, sir.
That is awesome. Thank you so much.
Shrimp,
That's good.
sticky rice.
That's good for that, mate. Thank you.
I was just making it for the video.
Sorry.
Very good.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Enjoy. Bye,
Thank
family.
you, bye.
A couple of bits of beef and some steak fries, please. Excellent.
Anything else?
No, it's good, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, enjoy.
Got it,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, drop that one.
Thank you.
You're welcome, enjoy.
Right.
Sorry? of shade.
Vitamin water again?
Bit of shade and a bit of sun. So we've been told there's some racing pigeons that are hitchhiking at the moment. I don't think that's a racing pigeon though, do you?
Well, I can't see his legs. If he's got a tag, then he is.
So
But the other one definitely had a tag and definitely was a
it was
racing
pigeon. How cute!
And it would
They're
stand to
hitching a hike.
reason because they don't fly on their own, they fly
Yeah.
together.
Oh yeah. Having a lift back to Southampton. Hi pigeon! One of the things that we like to play, don't we JP? And we've played it for 20 odd years now.
So these are ancient.
Pass the pigs! Does anybody else play Pass the Pigs? This is a great little
Probably not.
game. So what you do is you get, can't really see what you're seeing, but look. So you get a point depending how the pigs lay when you throw them. So much fun! I can't see you, JP. If you can see what I can see.
I'm on the bed.
We're packing. It's the last day. Well, it's the last evening. So we've come back to the room. We've got ready for the show tonight. And then we're packing. What's the show tonight, JP?
Dreams.
Dreams! We have seen that before, but it's such a good show. So we're definitely going to go and see that. It starts at 6 because we're on the late seating. So we're going to see that. And then we are eating in...
Rapunzel.
Cannot wait. Yes, and on to dinner tonight. We need to take our envelopes. The light's not on, but he's ready. We have our envelopes to give out.
Rude and saying my light's not on, but I'm not ready. Is that what I'm saying? That?
No. And yeah, it's been a fun time. So get ready. Come with us. I don't think we can show the show to you, but we'll show as much as we can in the theatre, and then dinner is going to be, I'm sure we can video dinner.
Yeah.
Catch you.
That's fine. Yeah. Just start at the end.
That show was great, wasn't it? It was so good. What's it called?
Dreams.
Dreams. See, I know these things, but I just say it so that JP talks. Oh, it was so good. I had a few tears. It was that good. I love their shows.
Their shows are very good. They put a lot of effort into their shows, and yeah, they're really good. Really
Amazing. So we've got Daisy Duck over there. We're just sitting in the atrium, I think it's called, near D Lounge. It's a lovely place to sit. I've got a cup of tea. That's why I've not got my mask on, because I've got a cup of tea. You've got a cup of coffee. And we're going to sit here, chillax, and wait for our dinner reservation at Rapunzel.
Which is going to be amazing.
The menu looks good as well. It looks very German. What did you say? Not German. Bavarian food.
Yes.
So,
Looks good.
yeah, we'll put the menu up on the screen for you when we get in there. All the lights look like they're just sparkly and lit up. It looks like it's going to be a great night. Yeah.